Manage that, Cooley.
Easy.
Donut? My check.
Yeah.
How much?
It's all in the house.
I like your donut.
It's nothing, not at all.
Yeah. See, you know, I think I'll try to get the wife not to raise your rent this month.
You're too kind.
Good day, landlord.
Uh-huh.
Good morning, landlord.
Wow, you sure have grown up all of a sudden. Come visit me and let's play doctor.
Landlord, what a delight to see you.
What's so delightful about
I
it?
haven't a clue.
It's too low. The slit has to be 9 inches higher at least. Can you handle that?
Oh, I can handle it.
Oh, look, a shooting star.
Huh?
Oh, I thought you were a decent girl.
You monster! Right in front of the tailor's eyes!
Jane, I just want to be friends.
Oh, you
Stay here. Wait. I was only joking. Don't be put out. Jane.
Mrs. Slum Queen. Hey, landlady. Did you forget to pay your taxes? There's no more water down here.
Water doesn't just fall from the clouds, you know. You got a pretty big mouth for someone who's 4 months behind on his rent.
I was right in the middle of my monthly shampoo. I have a right to wash my hair.
Ah, you are a troublemaker. From now on, no water Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And I'm rationing it Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, and that's that. I've had it without your whining and complaining. As though everything should be free here, assholes.
A delightful good morning, landlady.
Don't sweet-talk me, you worm. You catch up on your rent or I'll burn your store down. What? What's so funny? The same thing applies to you, you little faggot. All right, and no brains. Why don't you get yourself a real job? Months overdue and not even a lousy good morning? You're gonna end up being a coolie your whole life. There's your shampoo, you little prick. Hey, I wanted those for breakfast, not for dinner.
Well, you see, there was this old woman, and I helped her across the street.
And what are you doing here?
Someone was complaining about perverts watching the girls shower. Did you see anyone? What? Don't point at me. You have no proof. Empty, baseless accusations. She is totally crazy. Completely off her rocking chair.
Go away.
Sure, lesson one.
Who do I do?
My boss.
Have a seat. There, that's 50 cents.
Are you kidding?
A perfect little trim.
It's too stylish. Makes him look way too slick. Like a fruitcake. Don't get all worked up, boss. He's an old buddy. Let me handle this. He's the boss of the notorious Axe Gang. See the tattoos on him? We're killers. Chiefs command respect should look like they come from the gutter. Got that?
No.
Of course not. You're an idiot. But I like you. So, give me what's in the till and we'll call it even.
Nuh-uh.
Whoa! Hold the axes, boss. He's about to see the light. Look, kid, I'm on your side. I'd hate to see your face get pushed in. So how about we settle for a little less? Let's make it enough for a couple of drinks.
Aha, so your thing is extortion.
Hey, boss! What? Your Highness. Oh, he always does that right before he butchers someone. He's thinking about the cruelest way to do it.
I am not afraid. You may kill me, but thousands more will spring up in my place.
You out there! If you want to wake the Lord of the Axe Gang, you're welcome to take a step forward. Oh, so you want to be annihilated. All right, you all know the rules. It's one at a time. And I don't want to see anyone trying to cheat. You, the onion lady, come here. Uh-huh. You think you're so tough? I'll tell you what. You take the first crack. Put it right here. Do you lift weights?
No, honey, I raise cattle.
Lucky for you, you're important to the economy. Now get back in line.
Not case.
What? You watch your mouth. Thank your stars you're a woman, otherwise... You're with your mouth hanging open. Yeah, you, shrimp. You look like you could use some sense knocked into your head. You want to try? Okay. If there's one thing that really bugs the hell out of me, it's cheating. Sit! Yeah, with glasses, you look mean enough. Come here. Whoa, back off. Whoever asked you? I was pointing at him over there. You, Karate Kid. You look okay. Let's see what you got. No, I don't give lessons. What? This can't be true. Not one of you is worth the effort. You'd all be dead before I even touched you.
That's the one who tried to blackmail me.
So, fat woman, are you the boss around here or what?
Fat woman, my ass!
Hey, I'm with the Axe Gang.
Axe Gang, my ass!
Boss!
Boss, my ass!
I will sue you for this.
Sue me, my ass!
How about a date?
Date, my ass!
A snake!
Snake, my ass!
You just wait. I will call for backup.
Like anybody would back you up, you nitwit. I can hardly wait.
My forces are waiting. This will be the signal to charge.